I'm gonna attempt to take Opal for a walk. I have my giant transfer board. Think of this as a bridge from point A to point B. Yay, I did it. It makes me feel really good when I independently get in here, you guys. Wait. And then we're gonna go, okay? Come on, baby. Do you think Opal could win it because she's in it?